Hello, you are welcome to another interesting topic for all poultry farmers. The 10 organic plants that will replace antibiotics in poultry farming. This video is a must watch for every poultry and livestock farmer. The objective of this particular video is to educate every poultry farmer, to inform both small and large scale poultry farmers about natural plant-based alternatives to synthetic antibiotics, to promote organic poultry farming practices, to encourage a shift from chemical-based treatment to organic methods for healthier birds and better meat and egg quality. This highlights medical values to explain the medical properties of each of the 10 organic plants as selected and how they benefit poultry, health, and performances. To demonstrate proper dosage and use, to provide clear and practical dosage and administration guidelines for each plant, ensuring safe and effective applications to reduce mortality and improve productivity in poultry. This video helps all farmers to minimize birds mortality, improve immunity, and enhance growth and egg production using accessible organic solutions within their environment to enhance farmers' profitability. This video will help you to reduce dependency on cost if antibiotics and improve overall farm profitability through affordable organic options to support antibiotic-free poultry production. This video will help you to contribute to the global goal of producing antibiotic-free poultry, reducing resistance issues, and promoting consumer health. To provide actionable content, this gives farmers clear, actionable steps by step, the way they can implement and find solution to their poultry and livestock health needs. Please relax and watch this video till the end so that you get all that this video is meant for. We have 10 organic plants you can use to replace antibiotics in poultry and livestock farming, at the same time making your poultry and livestock farming business safer and highly lucrative. In modern poultry and livestock farming, the overuse of antibiotics has raised concern about resistance and long-term health impacts. Thankfully, nature provides us with a range of organic plants that are not only effective but also safe for both poultry and livestock. These plants help improve immunity, prevent infections, and support overall poultry health. Let's dive into these medicinal values, dosage, and administration of these powerful plants that I'm going to give you in this particular video. Let's start with number one. Number one is Baobab fruit. Baobab fruit has the following medicinal values: very rich in vitamin C, antioxidant, and calcium. Baobab fruit boosts the immunity system of your poultry birds, aid digestion, and prevent respiratory infections in poultry. What is the dosage and administration? 10 to 20 milligrams of dried baobab fruit powder per 1 liter of drinking water for 5 to 7 days. You get a clear result. The second one is Amla, AMLA. That is also known as Indian gooseberry. What is the medicinal value? Amla is a high potent plant, very rich in vitamin C, which enhances immunity, improves digestion and health system of a poultry bird. It supports growth in and weight gain in poultry and livestock, most especially for broilers and egg-laying birds. What is the dosage and administration? 5 to 10 grams per dried amla powder per liter of drinking water for 7 to 10 days consecutively, please. The next one is black cumin. Black cumin or Nigella sativa. That's the botanical name. Black cumin or Nigella sativa. What is the medicinal value? Black cumin has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. It helps in preventing respiratory infections and boosting immunity. Dosage and administration: 5 grams of black cumin seeds powder and mix into the feed daily for 5 to 7 days. Outstanding result awaits you. Soursop juice. Both the leaf and the soursop itself. Medicinal value: soursop has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, effective in fighting off diseases and improving overall birds' health. Dosage and administration: 10 to 20 milligrams of fresh soursop juice per liter of water for 7 days. Coriander seed. Medicinal value: coriander seed have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making them great for improving digestion and fighting off infections in poultry and livestock animals. What is the dosage and administration? 5 grams of powdered coriander seed per liter of drinking water, 5 to 7 days. Parsley is the next one. Parsley is spelled as Parsley. Medicinal value. Parsley is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K, aiding in immune support, liver detoxification, and overall health. 5 to 10 grams of fresh and dried parsley. Mix it in the feed or drinking water for 5 to 7 days. The next one is dill leaves. Dill leaves is spelled as Dill. Medicinal value. Dill has antimicrobial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, boosting digestion, health, and reducing stress in poultry and livestock animals. Dosage and nutrition. 5 to 10 grams of dried dill leaves per liter of water for 5 days. The next one is number 8. That is spinach. Spinach has the following medicinal value. Very rich in iron, calcium, and vitamins, which aids in healthy feather growth. Dosage and administration. 7 to 10 days administration of fresh spinach leaves per bed daily. Mix with feed, or use the extract and mix it in water. The next one is number 9. Watermelon seed. Watermelon seed has the following medicinal value. Watermelon seed are rich in protein and fatty acids. It supports muscle growth and digestive health, while also acting as a natural dewormer in poultry and livestock animals. Dosage and administration. 10 grams of powdered watermelon seed. Mix in the feed 5 to 7 days. You get outstanding results. The next one is number 10. Okra leaves. These okra leaves, I have treated it separately in one of my videos. It is a very powerful plant in poultry, and the leaf is free. It's something nobody sells it in the market. Medicinal value. Okra leaves helps in reducing inflammations, supports the immune system, and improve egg production in hens. Most especially those of you in Insta Brown or all the laying birds, or perhaps you are into parent stocking, where you produce fertile eggs for hatching. Dosage and administration. 5 to 10 grams of fresh or dried okra leaves added to feed 5 to 7 days. You get outstanding results. So as a poultry and livestock farmer, if you find this video very interesting, this is the right time for you to give it that sign, thumb up. Click it right now. Like this video and share it to reach more poultry and livestock farmers, mostly in groups and your platforms. You can also share this to your other social media handles, so that anytime you need this particular topic, you can go back and watch them, because they will be there for you. But when you don't share it, you hardly have it in your profile. So share this video to reach more farmers, and subscribe to this channel if you are just coming across this channel the first time. I don't know what you are thinking of if you can subscribe to a channel that will give you up-to-date information on how to run your poultry and livestock agribusiness profitably and lucratively. So subscribe and activate the bell notification, so that anytime an update is released on this particular topic or any other topic in general, you will get notified by this our wonderful app. Subscribe to our channel membership also, so that we give you 24/7 attention to run your poultry and agribusiness. We help you to handle your issues if you consult us, and we also give you attention also. As you grow this channel, we also help you to grow your business. I thank all our fans, those that have subscribed to our channel membership. You are all blessed. The next video, I will start mentioning your names, and some of our fans should also subscribe to the channels and help them to grow too. Thank you for watching. So by incorporating all these 10 organic plants into your poultry management system, you can reduce your reliance on antibiotics, promote healthy growth, and maintain disease-free flock. Remember, these natural additives or plant alternatives are cost-effective, easy to use, and they provide numerous health benefits for both poultry and livestock. Thank you for watching. I remain your humble servant till I come with another interesting topic loading very soon. I love you all. Bye for now.